Today, we present our latest offering, the Bajaj Electrical Panels, ABB Ar2K, IEC 61439 1 and 2 compliant. A state-of-the-art solution designed for safety, reliability, and superior performance. The Bajaj Electrical Panel is engineered to meet the highest global standards, certified under IEC 61439 1 and 2, ensuring full compliance with international quality and safety norms. This means you get a product that not only meets expectations, but exceeds them. Built with ABB's Ar2K technology, these panels deliver exceptional performance in power distribution, protection, and control applications. Whether for industries, infrastructure projects, or commercial complexes, Bajaj Electrical Panels provide efficiency, durability, and peace of mind. At the heart of the design is safety. The panel offers enhanced protection against electrical faults, overloads, and short circuits, safeguarding both equipment and operators. Its modular design ensures easy installation, flexible configurations, and hassle-free maintenance, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. With superior build quality, compact design, and long operational life, the Bajaj Electrical Panels stand out as the perfect combination of technology and trust. Backed by the legacy of Bajaj Steel Industries Limited, a leader in engineering for over 6 decades, we ensure that every product reflects our commitment to innovation, precision, and customer satisfaction. Choose Bajaj Electrical Panels, ABB Ar2K IEC 61439 1 and 2. Choose safety. Choose reliability. Choose a future powered by Bajaj. Bajaj Steel Industries Limited, engineering trust. Powering progress. At Bajaj Steel, innovation meets reliability. With decades of engineering excellence, we design and manufacture world-class electrical control panels that ensure seamless power distribution, enhanced safety, and unmatched efficiency. From MCC panels, PCC panels, APFC panels, and drive panels, to tailor-made automation solutions, every panel is built with precision, advanced technology, and global quality standards. Our panels are trusted across industries: cotton ginning, textiles, steel, cement, infrastructure, and beyond. Backed by cutting-edge manufacturing, rigorous testing, and expert service support, Bajaj Electrical Panels guarantee long-term performance, energy savings, and peace of mind.